Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Do it. Breaking and bending the spines. Let's do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since the signs. Do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time. Real for real.